Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading for a synthetic market. If this is your first time coming here, try to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Try to like, comment, and share to your network so YouTube pushes to a high level of audience. Today we talk about three waves synthetic jump indices step V75 etc. VVIP signal services. Okay, you see, a lot of people are having issue with making money in trading, but there is underlying principle they have not come to understand. You see, price behave with different patterns at different period of time, and it costs a lot of energy, costs a lot of dedication, it costs a lot of commitment to actually spot such movement. Every movement, every pattern, like every day, every single point in time, price have a unique and a different pattern. No pattern, no two price pattern are the same. Like a triangle that is forming today is not going to be the same triangle that is going to form tomorrow. Price movement is a random event. Don't expect it to be unique. I'm sorry. Don't expect it to be the same. They're always different, okay? So you see, but no matter how the difference is, we have high level techniques to spot the best signals. Okay, you see how this movement, this is a wave, three wave. This is a three wave system. You notice how this market was able to create a very long movement that break structure. So in a three-wave system, there is always a structure that must be broken. And then you see retracement whose length is shorter than the first wave, and they expect the second wave to be very, very long, but not as long as the first wave. But I'm sorry, but not as short as the retracement, the second wave. Okay. See, these are hidden market behavior that have kept a lot of people wondering why are they not making it. Well, it's a three-wave issues here. But most of the times, the second wave will form and become a continuity. Like this structure will no longer be respected, rather it becomes a fake out. So that is when we know who is who. That is when we know who have the knowledge, who can actually beat the lion and kill the lion. All you need to do is to join the VIP, okay? See, these are structures. These are what I mean by three wave. They vary in form. This is three wave, okay? This is another three wave issues system. You see, there must be a center of equilibrium where prices will come back to and form some sort of Z pattern. Z pattern, okay? You see, this is another one. This one is actually different from the rest. You see, very, very clear and unique. Okay, you see the issue here. This is a channel. So that's why I tell you, even if I teach you from now to tomorrow, what you don't have, you don't have. All you need to do is to join VIP. Like I'm trying to tell you that our VIP pays, we generate these signals, okay? But it's not everyone that can generate it. Imagine you are selling here. We are going to be blowing your account while selling here, even though you are doing the right? But you are doing it at the wrong pattern. This pattern is different. Don't expect sell here. You can only sell at the boundary conditions, at the channel boundaries, okay? These are the things. It's not easy to even spot the right pattern, okay? See, this is another one. So these are the three wave problems. We are using it to produce high level signals, high profitable signals. I think all you need to do is to join today and change your life, okay? We're not forcing people to join, but when you know the road to success and you are not showing to others, then you are not helping the society, okay? Or the community in which you belong. You are not helping. You are not helping issues, okay? That's why I make this video available to those that are still losing money. Actually, there are many ways you can benefit from my channel. Either you join the VIP or you become my affiliate, okay? In my affiliate, you sell my product, like you sell my, if you become affiliate, you sell my VIP signal service product, you sell my courses, and you get 30% commission, okay? So, this is the end of this video. I wish you could take advantage of the VIP right now, because if actually you forward this video to me, that you watch it, I think because of that forward, I will give you 25% discount on the VIP, okay? But if you didn't forward it and start shouting me, you will pay the full price or the mark price, okay? Thank you. Bye for now. Expect more content that will give you what it takes to succeed in this industry. Thanks.